Hey, how's it going? My name's Amy Harber. Welcome to Tomboy Beauty. You can find me all those lovely places. Please follow me on my beauty journey. This is the January Birchbox, the theme's routine boosters. Ways to boost your routine. Oh, let's see what the card says. Oh, it's easier to prevent dry skin than to fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. Birchbox tip number 23. Here's another tip. Let's get into these products. So hey, Birchbox. Okay, so Birchbox went back to the little drawer design, and I really hope they keep it because then I could line it up in my closet. Just have all these little drawers, but this is like the cutest box design ever, and like I said, I hope they keep it. If you hear crunching in the background, that's because my cat has decided while filming my video that it's a good time to eat away. So if you hear crunching, that's why. Okay, full-size product. It's so exciting when you get a full-size product. And there's 2 of them in this box. Okay. Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. It is a multitasking soap sponge hybrid that combines inflammation-reducing Mother of Pearl body wash with a gentle exfoliating scrubber. So you can skip the step in the shower. Pretty sure I'm going to be taking this with me while I travel because that just seems fun, and it lasts about 60 uses. So it will last beyond my trip, apparently. Maybe I'll save it. Okay. Oh, I love this one. I use this in Vegas. I'm definitely taking it with me in case there's any. I'm sure there's going to be humidity wherever I'm going. Let's get naked. Frizz Fighter by TLW. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this product so much. Yes. Okay. Next. The next full size lipstick queen. I've never gotten a lipstick queen. I'm so excited. Okay. It's called Shade Shifter. So this confidence, okay, it's weird. It's a confidence boosting lipstick that adjusts to your body's unique pH by transforming from bright orange to pretty peach. So as you see, it's a very bright orange. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I'm pH balanced, like Secret. It's moisturizing, I'll give it that. It's not peach. It is not peach by a long shot. But I like this shade of pink. That's... Okay, so 1, we've learned I'm not pH balanced. Because, or that lied. 2, yeah, I'm not pH balanced. Oh, but next product, Grande Primer. So lash plumping properties. It's a primer to boost your mascara strength. I love primer. I love mascara primers. They're also cool if you want to create a cool, like, frozen effect and just have white eyelashes. I've learned that this stuff is the bomb for that. Little makeup artist trick. Okay, first time sampling. It's not my first time using them. I've gotten them in other boxes. Acure Seriously Soothing Under Eye Hydrogels. I highly recommend these for airplanes. That's why these will be going with me on one. Okay, they're going to reduce your dark circles and bring down your puffiness. Pro tip, Put them on ice. Put them in a fridge. Do that. Just trust me on that. It will reduce it even more. Okay. That are all the routine boosters. This is the January Birchbox. This is where to follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.